New at 5 federal judges in Milwaukee say they are not extending interim U.S. Attorney Brad Schimel's appointment beyond next week. Attorney General Pam Bondi appointed Schimel to a 120-day term as interim U.S. Attorney for the Eastern District of Wisconsin back in November. Under federal law, judges can extend an interim attorney's appointment until a permanent appointee takes the position. However, the majority declined and will wait for President Trump and the Senate to nominate and confirm a full-time U.S. attorney. Schimel's term will expire March 17th.